Whoa, what's that, Sat? This is the letter Y, and it makes the Y sound. Let's get learning.
Hi everyone! Oh, it's Mr. Luke here. Welcome to Yawning with Luke. Guess what, everyone? I'm just so tired. I can't stop yawning. I think I'm going to go to sleep for a little bit. Wow, that was a big yawn. Oh, have it! I said, oh, have it! Wake up! Ah! Yeah? Oops, sorry to wake you up, but we've got work to do. We need to learn our new sound. This is the letter Y, and it makes the Y sound. The Y sound?
To make the Y sound, you need to open your mouth a little, and your tongue moves as you say it. Listen to Mr. Luke and see if you can make the Y sound.
Y. 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 Now you know how to say Y. Wait, but how do you write the letter that makes the Y sound?
To write your letter Y, start here. Bring your pen down, round, up, down and round. Let's have another go. And that's how you write the letter Y.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the Y sound, Mrs. Luke. Now it's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 things. Then you and everyone at home have to find all the things that have the Y sound. Okay, everyone, you know I'm going to need your help for this challenge. So let's find all those things beginning with Y. Let's go!
Let's see which things Sat has for us today. We have a bowl of yogurt, a yak, a penguin, a bowl of cereal, and a yo-yo. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all the things beginning with Y. Let's see which things begin with Y. Yak, yogurt, yo-yo. Well done, everyone. We found everything beginning with Y. Yes!
Whoa, you passed my challenge! Now it's time to see if you can complete my reading challenge, which involves the Y sound. I'm going to give you a word that has the Y sound, and I want you to take your time to sound out the word and blend those sounds together to make the word. Good luck! And here's our first word. Remember, everyone, let's use those sound buttons to help us sound out this word that has the Y sound. Are you ready? Y, S. Y, S. It says yes! Sat, it says yes! Yes, we did it! Yes, yes, yes! You all are amazing at sounding out. I hope you're ready for our next word. And here's our second word. I hope you're ready for this one. Yak. Yak. It says yak. Sat, it says yak. Yes! Well done, everyone. You did a great job sounding out those words that have the y sound. But I've got to go now. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye, Mr. Lucre. Bye, everyone. Bye, Sat. Thank you so much, Sat, for teaching us all about the y sound. But I've got to go now too. So let's recap what we've learned today with Mrs. Lucre. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Yeah, 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 yeah.
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter Y and it makes the Y sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the Y sound in these words. Yacht, yoke. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we know. Y, l, yell. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Lucre learning his phonics. Now you know the Y sound. Yippee!